In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox Please Perform a Clean Windows Boot. Now first what you want to do is press the Windows button and R on your keyboard and search for msconfig. It's OK. And when this opens up, what you want to do is you want to head over to Services. And from Services, you want to click Hide All Microsoft Services and press Disable All. Now once this is done, what you want to do is you want to head over to Startup, press Open Task Manager, and from in here you want to check for the status. You want to make sure all of these are disabled, so I click on Disable. You want to do this for all of them. Then what you want to do is you want to restart your PC. Once you have restarted your PC, you're going to open up Roblox, and the Roblox should run perfectly as normal. And then what you want to do is you want to open up msconfig again. Then you want to press enable all to make sure that you enable them again after you disable them. And then you can do the same in here. So you're just going to enable the ones you disabled. And then it should hopefully work. Now, the problem with the Roblox is there's something in here that makes it not able to run. So if you disable it, run the Roblox, then you can just enable this after again. Now if this helped you, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.